In the heart of Lancashire, where precision meets innovation, Ferguson Laser Engineering has been transforming ideas into reality since 2006. From our state-of-the-art 50,000 square foot facility in Nelson, Lancashire, we've built our reputation on one simple promise: delivering exceptional engineering solutions that exceed expectations. Ultra-precise laser cutting with Trump machinery, the gold standard in laser technology. Every cut is measured to the micron, every edge finished to perfection. Powered by advanced Trump laser cutting and folding systems, our CNC-controlled equipment delivers maximum accuracy and repeatability. Because when your reputation depends on quality, there's no room for compromise. Our designs are created and optimized using the latest SolidWorks CAD software, ensuring every component is engineered for success before it even touches the machine. From mild steel to stainless steel, aluminium to copper and brass, we process a comprehensive range of materials with sheet sizes up to 4 meters by 2 meters and thickness up to 25 millimeters. Our state-of-the-art press brakes bring your 2D designs to life in stunning 3D reality with CNC precision and a 4-meter capacity that handles everything from delicate prototypes to substantial production runs. Rapid prototyping and production through streamlined workflows designed for speed without sacrificing quality. Our commitment is simple: on-time delivery, every time. From one-off prototypes to full-scale production runs, we provide bespoke cutting and folding solutions tailored precisely to your needs. But we're more than just cutting and folding. Ferguson Laser Engineering offers a complete under-one-roof solution. From initial design consultation through fabrication, welding, CNC machining, and finishing services, including polishing, powder coating, and electroplating. Our experienced design team provides full support using SolidWorks for precision planning, turning your concepts into manufacturable reality, trusted by engineers, designers, and manufacturers across automotive, aerospace, construction, signage, and countless other industries. We understand that every sector has unique demands, and we rise to meet them all. With our own fleet of transport ranging from small vans to 18-ton flatbed trucks, we deliver throughout Lancashire, Yorkshire, Greater Manchester, and beyond. Local service with truly national reach. What sets Ferguson Laser Engineering apart? It's our combination of Trump-powered precision and SolidWorks-driven design excellence. It's competitive pricing that never compromises on quality. Most importantly, it's our experienced team's passion for excellence. Every project, whether it's a single prototype or a 1,000-piece production run, receives the same meticulous attention to detail. Born from Ferguson Engineering Northern's rich heritage, dating back to 1985, Ferguson Laser Engineering represents decades of engineering expertise evolved for the modern age. We've invested in tomorrow's technology today because your success demands nothing less than cutting-edge capability. When precision matters, when deadlines are non-negotiable, when quality defines success, choose Ferguson Laser Engineering. We don't just cut metal, we craft solutions. Ferguson Laser Engineering, where your vision becomes reality.